What's going on, DU Anime family? We are back with Demon Slayer, episode 4.
Episode 4.
Yeah. Continuing on with this training arc.
Everything's just still building up, huh?
Yeah.
Still getting going.
The best part about this arc so far is all the Hashira involvement.
I think, I already forgot his name.
Tengen?
No, the water Hashira.
Oh, yeah, I don't know his name either.
Oh my gosh.
The girl looking dude.
Yeah, but what's his first?
Tomioka?
Tomioka, that's what I always think of. But kind of getting into his backstory, how he felt, I think is probably my favorite part so far, actually. But I enjoyed seeing the NPCs, as some of the commenters called them, like training and stuff. But they said that also that the master, he knows the names of all the Demon Slayers.
I saw that too.
That's pretty freaking cool.
Yeah.
He knows them all by name.
Really cool detail.
Mm-hmm. So hopefully they kind of get their little boost so they're not fodder.
I'll be honest, I wish we had more knowledge of the master. Like I think he's a cool character, just like as far as being overarching, kind of like this Yoda master. What's that rat guy's name who does the TMNT?
Master Splinter?
Master Splinter. He's almost kind of like got this like Master Splinter kind of vibe.
Yeah.
And I wish we saw more of that from him.
Maybe we'll see him fight. No, probably not. I'm just
When he
kidding.
dies.
You never know, in future episodes they might like
I wonder if
show some
Muz-
stuff in the past.
Maybe Muzin will give like a backstory on him or something.
He's gonna become a demon.
That'd be kind
master.
of crazy. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy.
I think it'd be kind of cool. But
That'd be pretty
we'll see.
wild. That'd be sad.
If he became a demon,
Yeah.
But what if he became like a good demon?
Nezuko status?
Yeah.
they just start giving. It's like the super serum, super soldier serum. They just start like giving
That's
everyone
hard to say.
Nezuko's blood.
Super Soldier Serum?
Super soldier serum.
Super Soldier Serum?
Super Soldier Serum.
It's not
So
that
you
hard.
see-
I just can't talk.
It's kind of hard for me. But
You said it.
Anyways.
should we just get into it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
到着励めよ
That's totally Bankley, bro. For those of you who don't know, we're watching One Piece and like we just that's a Bankley.
何言ってるの
Oh yeah, that's
こん
right.
なのも
Okay.
できないよすぐ鬼に食われちゃう
Ow.
Give him a quick reality check.
君本当ならもう3回は死んでるよ
Dang.
僕の動きについてきて
My spine. It's like, you're literally a blur. I can't even see you.
Dude, Tanjiro looks sick with his scars. I'm just gonna put that out there.
He looks messed up, bro. But he does the cool.
元気そうだね
He's all shredded.
使えないわね
Freaking eyelashes on.
またあいつか
何見てんのよ下っ端が
時藤君の春日井ガラスだ相変わらずひどいこと言うな入るよ
これは時藤殿。
金森さん
おお、炭治郎君ではないですか。ずいぶん回復されたようですね。よかったです。
はいありがとうございます
Has Tanjiro always been that shredded?
I don't think so.
Look at his forearms. Look at his forearms, dude.
Just from gripping that sword all the
Tanjiro.
time, huh?
こ
Something
れ
like
持って
that.
くれる
Jeez.
That's a sharp blade.
Talk about razor sharp.
ど
He like went out of frame for a
う
second.
これが金森さんに来てもらった理由じゃあ金森さんはここに
ええ、常駐して手入れさせてもらっています。
Whoa.
戦いに向けいつも刀を最高の状態にしておきた
He
い
has his own like personal
Yeah.
blacksmith.
もし出たら
That's sick.
親方様から僕の思うようにしたらいいと
How he goes from just super happy and then just super dead-eyed with everyone else. Oh.
感情のまま攻撃しても相手にかなうはずないでしょうそれどころか飛んで火にいる夏の虫だ
The disrespect.
鬼との戦いにやり直しはないよたとえ9勝1敗でもその1敗で命を落とす
なあかまど、お前から柱に稽古を少し軽くできないか言ってくれないか。
このままじゃ鬼と戦う前に倒れちゃうよ。
でも一番きついのは時藤君なんじゃないかな。だって向こうはずっと一人で稽古をつけっぱなしなんだから。
確かに
ね。
Oh, we get more of the. This is number 4, right?
Number 4, yeah, number 4.
What do you think are the odds of you being killed by a demon?
In this show?
Yeah. Ugh.
Probably fairly high.
Whoa.
Are they fighting right now?
Okay, that's sick.
There.
互角のようだな。時藤に敬意を表し、俺と品津川二人で相手をし
Oh shoot.
行くぞ。
二人なんてずるいな。いつでもどうぞ。
That's bad. I'm really happy we get to see the Hashira.
Dude. And this animation is insane, bro.
今日の稽古も聞いたな。
I need a little more than that.
少しでも気を許したら本気
I mean,
で
it's
怪
too
我してやる
short.
ぜ。
Way too short.
そうじゃないと稽古の意味がないからな。昼間は大使たちの相手、夜はお前らと実戦形式の稽古。悪くはねえ。そうか。じゃあ徹底的にやっていいってことだな。少々強くなったくらいじゃ柱の足元にも及ばないってことを見せてやる。
楽しそうだな。頑張れ炭治郎。真剣持ってきて。
Dude wants to kill him.
はい。
Oh, he's trying to give him a sense of urgency. Like,
Like,
defend yourself.
Oh,
始めよう。
He's gonna cut right through a sword, dude.
構えて。
bro's about to have a panic
But this
attack.
guy's this way. This is how he feels against a teammate, Hashira.
時藤君それ以
Can't
上は
handle
すみ
being
ま
a
せん。
demon.
Yeah. When that bloodlust is right in front of you like that.
早朝に
Dude.
水で冷やしているのを見ました。俺たちもっと精進します。だから。
君たちなりにはよくやってるよ。でもだからって勝てるわけじゃない。僕は君たちに鬼に殺されてほしくはない。できれば長生きしてほしい。本当にそう思っている。
Space is so if you can't fight, just don't fight.
時藤君。
A little time lapse.
筋肉の
Yeah, the sky and stuff
緊
is.
張の切り替えを滑らかにするんだ。いいね。
I like their relationship. It's cool.
Dude, yeah.
Whoa.
足腰の動きも連動しててバッチリだね。次の柱のところに行ってみよ
Whoa.
う。いいよ。5日しか経ってないよ。だって炭治郎言ったことちゃんとできてるもん。
じゃあ俺
Oh
た
no.
ちももう2週
Yeah,
間いる
freaking
ので
right.
何言ってる。素振り終わったなら打ち込み台が壊れるまで打ち込み稽古しよう。
The music.
He's all small.
落差がすごい。
時藤君。紙飛行機の飛ばし合い競争しようよ。急に何？もし俺が勝ったら大使のみんなへの口調を少しだけ優しくする。でどうかな？ああ、いいよ。本当に10回のうち1回でも長く飛ばせたら俺の勝ちでいいの？ ああ、どうせ炭治郎は一回も勝てないから。そんな一回くらいやるの？やらないの？もちろんやるよ。はい。あれ？
時藤殿の勝ち。
頑張れカマド。まだ次があるぞ。はい。
時藤殿の勝ち。はい。時藤殿の勝ち。
Come on, man. You gotta change your design.
I know.
だから言ったでしょ。勝てないって。一回くらいは勝てると思ったのに。
He said I have to go double
俺も挑戦していいでしょう
difficult on
か
him.
紙飛行機は自信あるんです。俺も村で一番になったことありません。おい、俺は町の
They're all
紙飛
supposed
行
to be
機大会
training
で
to fight
1位だ
demons
ぞ。
in their own
や
airplane
るか？
contest.
俺もやる。紙持ってこい、紙。
みんな用意はいい？せーの。
Showing all the peaceful times, the harmony times, and everything's gonna turn to crap later soon.
Yeah.
You can just feel it.
鬼との遭遇もほとんどなくなってるし、だからこそ柱稽古もできているわけだしね。禰豆子と離れることは心配だったけど、一緒に任務に出たらそれこそ向こうの思うツボだし、危険すぎる。炭治郎、必ずみんなで鬼物児を倒そう。
This track is slapping, man.
Yeah. Feels like I'm watching a movie. Oh, that's where he's going to next?
Yeah.
That's cool.
お元気そうでよかった。炭治郎くんもね。養蜂してらっしゃるんですか？蜂蜜のいい香りがします。
あ、わかっちゃった。そうなのよ。蜜蜜をね、パンに乗っけて食べると超絶美味しいのよ。
バター？ケーキ？紅茶はかろうじて。
蜜蜜。
Oh, wow.
パンケーキ。
I liked that episode.
I did too, yeah.
That was good.
I think that might have been, I don't know. Oh, I was going to say maybe one of my favorites, but they've all been good, man. Just like focusing on the Hashira.
My favorite
like them
part
a lot.
of the whole episode was them training together.
Dude, you said immediately
man.
Unlimited Blade Works, and I saw it right away. I was like, that is full
Freaking
time.
affordable, dude.
And it looks so good.
They just need more of that, though. Like, I need more of those.
I think we're going to get it, man. We're going to get it.
They're saving the budget.
You just got to be patient, bro. Yeah, that was... I really like the scene with them kind of bonding with the airplane.
Airplanes?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And like we were talking about, like, you're not always going to have that.
Yeah.
You know, because like once the fighting starts, like it's chaotic and you're going to lose a lot of friends. And you might even lose like your master and stuff. So like it's good to, you know, enjoy those opportunities while you have them.
And it seems like everybody's kind of feeling that way too. Like, you know, Tengen was feeling like that. He's, you know, pretty kind of reserved. So to see him kind of relate with his subordinates like that,
It was kind of cool too, seeing like Tanjiro kind of bring that out of him.
which is his specialty.
Well, that is, yeah. And nobody does that better than Tanjiro.
I think I wasn't trying to say it earlier, but Cody kind of mentioned he's got that main character, like shonen character vibe or
Yeah.
Charisma.
charisma. Yeah.
Charisma, exactly. He's maxed out on that.
Yeah.
Max charisma.
Well, thanks for watching. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to do that because a lot of you guys who are watching are not subscribed. So we want you guys to know what we got going on and be a part of our community.
Join the family.
Yeah.
Comment,
Share.
Tell us what you guys thought.
Sorry. Like.
Yeah, and go ahead and water wheel that bell. You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
A little water breathing for you. 27th form. Right.
I think I'm thirsty now.
You all right? Immediately right after. All right.
All right. Peace out, guys.